You've been doing absolute values wrong this whole time unless you know this one simple trick. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at those two straight lines the same way ever again. Ready to unlock the secret to mastering absolute values? Let's dive in. Okay, so what is absolute value really? It's the distance a number is from 0 on the number line. Distance can't be negative, right? Whether you're standing 5 steps forward or 5 steps backward, it's still 5 steps. That's what those two straight lines around a number, like around 5 for example, are telling you. How far away it is from 0. But here's where most students slip up. They forget absolute value isn't just about numbers, it's also about equations. And that's where the real fun begins. Here's the trick. When solving absolute value equations, you're not just solving one problem, you're solving two. Let's try this together. Solve the absolute value of x minus 3 is equal to 5. Most people stop at x minus 3 equals 5, but here's the key. You also need to solve x minus 3 equals negative 5. Why? Because absolute value doesn't care if the distance is negative, it still counts. You move the negative 3 to the other side, or you add 3 on both sides, and then x is equal to 8. X minus 3 is equal to negative 5. You move the negative 3 to the other side so it becomes positive, or you add 3 to both sides. So x will be equal to negative 2. Double the work? Maybe. But double the success? Absolutely. See, absolute value isn't just about flipping negatives. It's about looking at it in terms of distance and using it from all angles. Now that you've got this trick up your sleeve, you're ready to tackle anything absolute values throws your way. And if you're curious about how absolute values works in an inequality, or when you have multiple absolute values in the same equation, or how to graph them in general, stick around for more. We're Math for Less. Learn more for less.